In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize the layout of your form fields in Hubspot. To get started, log in to your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation. Click Marketing, then choose Forms. This will take you to the list of forms in your portal. Find the form you want to edit and select it to open the form editor. Give the page a moment to load so you can clearly see the fields that are already on the form. Once you are in the editor, you can customize the layout by arranging fields into columns. To create a clean two-column row, click and hold the field you want to move. Then drag it and drop it directly beside another field. When you are placing it correctly, you will see a visual cue that shows the field will sit next to the other one instead of stacking underneath it. This is a simple way to make your form shorter and easier to scan, especially for related fields like first and last name or city and state. Take your time while dragging, because dropping slightly above or below will place the field in a single column instead. After your layout looks the way you want, you can fine-tune the text users see on the form. Click any field, and a panel will open on the left sidebar. From here, you can edit the label, which is the title shown for that field, and the placeholder, which is the light hint text inside the input box. Keep labels short and specific, and use placeholders to add extra guidance without making the form feel crowded. Next, to adjust the look and feel of the form, click Style and Preview. This is where you can change visual settings like button colors and fonts, so the form matches your brand. As you make changes, preview the form so you can confirm that everything remains readable and consistent. When you are finished, go to the top right and click Update or Publish to save your changes. This ensures your new layout and styling are applied, and that covers everything you need to know.